I have a package from Fashion Nova. I never shopped there before. So this is my first time ordering from them, and sorry I look like a mess. Just got off work, so yeah, but I really want to do a video, and it is October, but I'm uploading this in November, so it's kind of a later video because I want to make sure my Halloween videos are out. But yeah, so I'm opening this up. So what I ordered is I ordered dresses. Like I said, Halloween's coming up, but my birthday is coming up because it's the day before. So I ordered a new dress and some couple other things. So yeah, let's open it up. I'm very excited about this. So, because I love wearing dresses, and I haven't got a new dress for a while. So here it is. I'm hoping it fits though, that's the only thing I'm worried about. But this dress is a navy blue dress and it has lace to it. Okay. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It is a long dress. It's like one of those dresses, it's like longer in the back than the front. So, because I love that style. So let me see if I can like hold it for you guys. So it's really long, and then here is the top part. It is lace, and then it has these little like cuff sleeves that like hang down like below, like right here. And I really liked that style. I found a dress from Forever 21 I liked it that was white, that was like that, but they sold out and they didn't get any more in. So I found this on Fashion Nova, and I thought like, hey, let me get that. So yeah, I'm going to try it on for you guys then at the end of this video, so you guys can see what I look like on it, since it's kind of a bad example like that. So that is the dress. I really wish it was white though instead of navy blue, but I still like it though. So then I got some other stuff, because I wanted to get free shipping, and look how cool that is. I love Tim Burton, so this is like so cool. So yeah. So I got this. Oh, this is cool. I got this like matte liquid lipstick, and it's in this like velvet box, which is like really weird, but I think this is so cool. I'm gonna have to like whip it though, because I can't get it open. This is what it is. You can see that. Sorry, it's dark outside. I have all my lights on though, but my lighting is not too good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. So I'm gonna test it out on my skin to show you guys. I always use the same like liquid thing all the time. I mean, I use more lip liner, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, so let's try it out. Okay, oh, this is a really pretty color. So it's kind of like a nude, but more of like a pinkish to it in a way. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is what the color is. And so yes, I have a different shade to use, because like I said, I use Candy K from Kylie all the time. But yeah, so that's the shade. So yeah, so all of you guys can't see. It's so dark, but I got that, so that's cool. And then I got this necklace. I do have another necklace that I ordered. They legit didn't have it when I bought this stuff, but then they came back with it, and it was like the same day. They sold out and then they restocked it. I should have just waited until later, but I have another necklace that is coming that I will show in the video then. But this is the necklace I got. It is gold, and it has an E to it, of course, for Emily. Don't know if you guys can see that because it's really shiny, but I have an E necklace there. So I got that. And I got this shirt. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. This was like really cheap, and it was for me to get free shipping, so I did. So they had the black one that had my size, but I didn't. I wanted the white one though, so I don't know if this is gonna fit me. It doesn't look like it might. I don't know. Oh, well, it might. I don't know. But this is what I got too. It's like just like a white shirt, and it's just gonna hang down like that. So that's what I got too, because I wear white a lot in the summer instead of black, kind of, because I like to be more colorful a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna try on the dress for you guys, and yeah. And then also, like I said, I have another necklace that is coming. So I might put this in a video, or I might keep it for a separate video. So yeah, I don't know. So yeah, so continue watching. So I didn't do an unboxing video, but right away when I opened this, I was just like, wow, look how freaking beautiful that is. Oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with this necklace.